I can verify that the simulation that I've built matches things in the real world. The research we've been working on is attempting to provide some numerical guidance to practitioners to reduce the amount and severity of conflicts at signalized intersections. Signalized intersections are locations where a lot of different modes converge, be it bicycles, motor vehicles, pedestrians, transit. And the way that bicycles are typically served at intersections in the United States is they're in a lane that's adjacent to the right-hand vehicular lane. The problems that we see are nationwide regarding the right hook conflict, where that vehicle turns right across the path of the bicycle.
This vehicle turns right in front of the bicyclist. We're using a couple different data sources to look at the problem of bicycle vehicle conflicts.
It's right turns and left turns. We're looking at when there's a bicycle lane on the side of the roadway and there's a vehicle that will be turning across it. It's also possible we might have a one-way roadway with a two-way cycle track on the left-hand side of the street. So then you have vehicles crossing that cycle track as they make their turning movements.
What we're seeing is that cars are turning in front of bicyclists. So that's probably due to some type of inattention, whether it's a cell phone or anything else that's distracting the driver.
One of the treatments that we looked at as far as reducing bicycle motor vehicle conflicts is something called a leading bike interval. If we provide bicycle signals, which are allowed, and we give the bicycles green a few seconds before those right turning motor vehicles, those bicycles can then establish themselves out in the roadway, and it reduces the prevalence of that conflict. I have a through lane, and safety is the whole purpose behind this. We want people to get to their destination safely, whether they're walking, riding a bike, or being in a vehicle. Flagstaff does have a vivid and vocal biking population, and we want to see them be as safe as possible on the roadway.